Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a cake. Start by making an oval at the center of the page. Good! For the base, create a curved left line, sleeping long line and curved right line. This is the cake crust. Now with a pencil, we shall draw the icing. Ensure that the icing flows outside of the cake. Use an eraser to remove the curved lines as seen here. Now make a frill-like wave at the bottom of the cake. Let's place a biscuit on the top. Make a cone-shaped figure. Erase the line in between. Now small sleeping lines. Perfect! Color. Use yellow at the bottom layer. Color within the lines. Brown at the center crust of the cake. Purple over the icing. A darker shade of brown on the top portion of the cake. Use yellow on the biscuit. Great! Our cake is ready. Share this cake drawing with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.